Imagine cruising the Murray in absolute luxury on your own boat. I'm not talking about a canoe or a speedboat. I'm talking about a magnificent new charter vessel. She's called the Odyssey, and we board her at Mannum in South Australia. Odyssey's a $1 million trendsetter, more a 5-star floating hotel than a riverboat. How cool is this? A private river odyssey for a few old friends that don't get to see each other as often as they'd like to, and of course they arrive in style. With 4 double staterooms on board, the Odyssey can sleep 8 guests. Each cabin has king-size beds and its own ensuite. Wake up each day to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the inviting warmth of a hot breakfast. People come from hundreds of miles to ski and cruise this river, and you can see why. It's absolutely breathtaking. The stunning top deck lounge and dining area provide a perfect venue for small conference groups, private charters and functions for up to 50 guests. Now the captain is looking for a special secret location for guests to do their water sports. Here's the thing about the Murray, and the boat for that matter, they are geared up for anybody. Gentle, chilling, relaxed types or mad sports lovers. Here beneath the cliffs of Bowhill, the water is perfect. The fun gear, jet skis and ski gear can be easily organised for you. Nothing is impossible. The real trick to biscuiting is just hanging on. And with the jet skis, prepare yourself for the thrill of a lifetime. However, you will need a boat licence to drive one. I said there's something for everyone. This is for those who like to chill. Yes, the beauty of the Murray, enough bird life to last a lifetime. The fishing's good and the boat is well stocked with rods and bait. And yes, the dinghy comes with the boat. On board, our biscuiter has snaffled the spar to get some feeling back into her fingers and thaw a bit. After all, it is the middle of winter. Up front, the chef is cooking up a storm. Just like our skipper, the chef is part of the crew. What a beautiful sight at night. It's always the simple things in life. Good food, good wines, and good friends, just relaxing and enjoying each other's company. I'll drink to that. And what better way to finish the day than a wonderful sing-along and campfire by the riverbank. Odyssey comes complete with a crew of 3, all there to ensure your cruise is one in which you can truly relax, indulge, discover and enjoy all the Murray has to offer. Don't miss out. Book now for the holiday of a lifetime.